Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. So if you hit the search bar at the top right, you will see suggestions like this you may like. Now what you can do to remove these, you just go back, okay, and then you hit your profile icon. From here I want you to come to the top right, click on these three horizontal lines, click on settings and privacy. Now from here, what I want you to do is come here, click on content preferences, okay? And then click on refresh you for your feed. So you refresh this, refresh your feed, go ahead and hit start, proceed with that. And what you can also do is just avoid interacting with them, okay? Usually these are country based and it depends what people in your country like to watch and what they're searching for. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.